Srangsalo revenue Bedekni Saktharmung by Khorang agolini prakna babano Khlaijakha National Pension System Dibash Manjaka revenue Bedekni tangphang opor boroitei additional director no khobai kobun ozomarok Pandao National Pension System no tei Khlaijakha dal bidal koklam abo haikeno fainai salo National Pension System no tei bokara khlaiei tesanani bagai kokna rekha Pandao manjangnai naruwairok
Very happy and august occasion for us to assemble here to celebrate NPS Day. As you know, NPS, that scheme, it was introduced in our state, in fact, from 2018 for the employees as a mandatory process. So by now, actually, we have almost 9,000 people, those who are joining this government service after 2018. So now they have, so far I think, numbering around 9,000, but this process will continue. I hope in future all the government employees will come under this umbrella. And as you have already been told by Sri Joshi and also Sri Akinchan Sarkar and also Mr. Vaisyadanand, that this is a system or a scheme which is open for all citizens, not only the government employees. And the people actually who are having the age group of 18 to 70 years can join, and he has to be a citizen, whether resident or non-resident or overseas, it doesn't matter. But of course you have to remember this legal entity or legal person called Hindu undivided family. This is not considered as a person for the purpose of this scheme, and also the people of Indian origin. Unless they registered as overseas citizen, they will not be eligible for these schemes. I will just mention some of the features of this scheme actually. You know, this is a very secure kind of scheme because it has got a regulator, and you can have your grievances redressed by online system which is operated by PFRDA, Pension Fund Regulatory Development Authority.
Bureau Report, Chini Khorang.